Good morning, MMTs. We are on the opening bell at 6:39. Market's been open 10 minutes. The date is 10/15, 2014. I will show you on a capitulation open, which we haven't seen. We were down 360 points on the Dow. Nasdaq 100 is down 72. Nasdaq Composite's down 84. And look at that S&P get stomped on that opening bell. Now, what's going to end up happening here, and we're going to keep everyone updated, the S&P is down 38 handles. So on the Dow, as you can see right here, I'm just showing a 13-minute open, and here's the part that I want you to see. What it's like to go through a huge breakdown in that Dow was down 360 points. The S&P is also down on this opening bell, and it's down exactly 38 points right now. As far as the Nasdaq Composite goes, the Nasdaq Composite, it's down 86 points right here. Starts with the gap down, and we told everybody it's going to be a nice correction, but we could have a capitulation. We will keep you updated, and where people do come in to buy at some point. This is an opening bell capitulation. Dow's down 345, Nasdaq 100 down 74, Nasdaq Composite down 87, the S&P is down 39, S&P at 1838. We've been open for 11 minutes in these markets right now. So basically, welcome to everything as far as buying opportunities, earnings season, and we will update a little bit later. One of the things that I want to show our people is the fact that we basically opened up huge. And when I say we opened down big time, we did. So basically what I'm going to do here is show how that S&P dipped right down here, and that was that opening bell for everybody to understand what a opening capitulation bell was. And we can clearly see right here this S&P on the opening bell. So for the new MMPs, this is a 60-minute bar straight down there. Then from that low, we can clearly see that the S&P is only down 17 points, back to 1860. The Dow Jones was down 360 points, but managed to come back minus 120, now at 157. Same thing with the Nasdaq Composite. The time is 7:06 a.m., 10/15, 2014, and we can clearly see exactly how these things are bouncing off of this low. They came in, they bought it, and I'm going to show this Dow Jones. You can see this right here. It's a 60-minute chart. We capitulated all the way down here to these lows on that 60-minute. And I can tell you that the low column was exactly 15,945 on that opening bell capitulation on that Dow. Back to the Nasdaq Composite. That had a huge capitulation on the open, and you can see the 60-minute bar. You can see where that Nasdaq Composite, they came back in, they did it across the board, they jumped in to try to save these markets, are already 200 points off of their lows, and like I said, 7:07, we have a 30-minute bell opening, so we can clearly see the dip buyers come in. And it's very important that people understand that markets haven't done this forever, and it's about time that they do it, because now it's going to create a buying opportunity. The bear has definitely been in control, as it should. So once again, and we can clearly see stocks like Amazon hit a low of 301. They popped it right back up here to 306.34. Tesla was down to 317. Netflix had hit a low of 435, printing at 441. Gilead, which one of our best stocks, hit 91, now printing at 95. Solar City, the low 46, printing at 48.48. There's lots of other ones. Baidu's up $3.30, and we've seen this same similar type of trade is buying that left elbow gap down and getting right in right away and making your trades and then getting out. So basically, I just want everyone to know what the morning opening was like, and it was tremendously down. MMT, I'm just going to say the Dow's down 137, and I'm going to conclude this part. It'll be a two-part series where the Dow was down 360, the Nasdaq Composite was down 80. They came straight in and bought that lower end of the market. They did a fat figure in the futures, and then we're going to see later on in part two how this opening bell capitulation worked. I'm just showing for solar over here, but now we're starting to see more selling.